somewhere in the world right now. A teenager in his bedroom just cashed out enough to buy his dream car. And he did it without ever stepping foot in an office. A single mother in another country just paid off her debts by making a few smart moves on her phone. And a retiree turned a small savings fund into a steady stream of income without touching the stock market. What do they all have in common? Crypto. The world of cryptocurrency has created millionaires overnight and bankrupted others just as fast. The question is there a real repeatable way to make money with crypto, or is it all just hype? By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap of how to approach crypto in a way that gives you the best shot at success without gambling your future. Section 1. Understanding the game before playing. Here's the truth. Most people lose money in crypto because they don't actually understand it. They treat it like a lottery ticket, hoping to get lucky, instead of learning the rules of the game. Cryptocurrency isn't just digital cash, it's technology, powered by blockchain, a public, secure, and decentralized network that records every transaction. Some coins, like Bitcoin, are designed to be a store of value. Others, like Ethereum, are built as platforms for building apps and digital services. Knowing the difference between a meme coin and a serious project is the first step toward making money. If you skip this, you're not investing, you're just guessing. Section 2. The main ways to make money with crypto. 1. Long-term holding, HODLing. This is the strategy that turned early Bitcoin buyers into millionaires. You pick a strong cryptocurrency with a proven track record, solid technology, and real-world adoption, and you hold it for years. Example, if you bought one Bitcoin for $300 in 2015 and held it until 2021, you could have sold it for over $60,000. 2. Trading for short-term profits. While long-term holders wait for big gains, traders make money from small price movements. They buy low and sell high, sometimes within hours. But trading is not gambling if you know how to read charts. Use indicators and set stop-loss orders. Tile staking for passive income. Some cryptocurrencies allow you to stake your coins, which means locking them in the network to help validate transactions. In return, you earn rewards, like earning interest in a bank account. For example, staking Ethereum or Cardano can give you annual returns of 4 to 10%. For DeFi, decentralized finance lending. DeFi platforms let you lend your crypto to others and earn interest. The rates can be much higher than banks, sometimes 8 to 15% per year, but you must choose reputable platforms to avoid scams. 5. NFTs and Metaverse investments. Some people have made huge profits by buying NFTs or virtual land in the Metaverse early. This area is high risk and not for beginners, but with research and timing, it can be rewarding. Section 3. Managing risk like a pro. Here's where most people fail. They don't have a risk plan. Rule 1. Never invest more than you can afford to lose. Rule 2. Diversify. Spread your investment across different coins, sectors, and strategies. Rule 3. Use secure wallets. A hardware wallet or a trusted software wallet is safer than keeping funds on an exchange. And most importantly, avoid the hype. If you hear about a coin after it's already trending, chances are the big profits are already gone. Section 4. The future opportunities. The biggest money in crypto might not come from the coins you know today. The next wave could be AI-powered blockchains, global payment systems, or government-backed digital currencies. Being early in these areas could be like buying Bitcoin in 2013. That's why staying informed is just as important as investing itself. Section 5. Building your crypto income plan. Here's a simple formula for starting today. Step 1. Learn. Spend at least a week researching before investing a single dollar. Step 2. Start small. Begin with an amount you can afford to lose and scale up with experience. Step 3. Mix strategies. Have some coins for long-term holding, some for staking, and a small portion for trading. Step 4. Review monthly. Adjust based on trends, not emotions. Crypto has the power to create life-changing wealth, but it rewards the prepared, not the lucky. You don't have to chase every hype coin or spend nights staring at charts. What you do need is a clear plan, patience, and the ability to adapt. If you want more step-by-step guides on making money online, hit subscribe, turn on notifications, and get ready, because the next video might be the one that changes your future.